You've probably heard it 1,000 times. Cracking your knuckles gives you arthritis. Sounds logical, right? That popping sound can't be good for you. Wrong. Multiple studies have proven there is zero link between knuckle cracking and arthritis. The sound is actually gas bubbles bursting in your joint fluid, nothing more. One doctor even cracked the knuckles on only one hand for 50 years to prove it. His hands were identical. So crack away guilt-free. Comment below, what's the most ridiculous fact you believed as a kid?